Hello friends, how are you? Welcome in third lecture of accountancies. In last lecture, we have started addition of a partner, and I have tried to teach you about theoretical points and evaluation accounts. Today, I will start question number 8. In your textbook, question number 8, name is given Aba and Bina. It is question for 8 marks in board examinations. Now, at first, you have to take textbook with you and underline some sentences which are very important to understand. See here. Here is given question. Aba and Bina are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. See here profit loss sharing ratio is given 2:1. So it is old ratio, not this point. Then I will write here old ratio. Old ratio is given 2:1, and an adjustment number in 6th you can see new profit sharing ratio of all three partners is to be kept 2:1:2. Directly I study adjustment number 6. Why? Here old ratio is given and new ratio is given. Then I will record here new ratio. New ratio is given 2:1:2. When both ratio are given, old ratio and new ratio, then it is compulsory to find out sacrifice ratio. Because of here already continued partners are 2, Aba and Bina. And now, in adjustment number first, you can read that Rahul will bring rupees 1 lakh as his capital and 24,000 as a goodwill in case. Now underline 24,000 goodwill in case. Have you record? Okay. Again, I will clarify. Rahul will bring 1 lakh as his capital and rupees 24,000 as goodwill in case. Underline just goodwill in case. Why we have underlined here? Here both ratio are given, old ratio and new ratio. From this we will find sacrifice ratio. Why sacrifice ratio is required? Listen, sacrifice ratio is required to distribute goodwill. Which goodwill? New partner Rushil will bring goodwill. It will be distributed between the two continued partner in the ratio of sacrifice. So sacrifice ratio is very necessary to find out here. In previous chapter, I have already clarified you, and formula also given sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is, which is formula? SR means sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is formula is given old ratio minus new ratio. In short, old ratio minus new ratio. Then we will find sacrifice ratio. See here. Who are partner? First partner is Aba. Then write here Aba. Aba's sacrifice ratio. First, old ratio. Here is old ratio is given 2:1. Then write here 2 upon 2 plus 1 means 3. minus new ratio. New ratio is given 2 raised 1 raised 2, but Abbas ratio is given 2, and total of this 2 plus 1 plus 2 means 5. Now find out Abbas sacrifice ratio. As a mathematical point of view, 5 multiplied 2 then 5 multiplied 2 then 10. 3 multiplied 2 then 12. Sorry, 6. And 3 multiplied 5 then 15. 5, 2 then 10. 3 multiplied 2 then 6. And 3 multiplied 5 means 15. Now minus 10 out 6 then 4 upon 15. Here is Abbas sacrifice ratio. Similar, we will find next partner is Bina. Then Bina's sacrifice ratio. Bina's sacrifice ratio. Formation is given here old ratio. Old ratio here is 1 upon 2 plus 1 means 3. Bina's new ratio is 1 upon total 5. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. Now 5 multiply 1, 5, 3, 1, 3, and 5, 3, 15. Then 2 upon 15. Here 4 upon 15, here 2 upon 15. Then you can see 15 here is and here is 15. Then both are equal. Then we can write here in short sacrifice ratio is 4 raised 2. If we want to write in this short method, then we can write here 2 raised 1. It is sacrifice ratio of continued partner, and it is very important. Why we have find out here sacrifice ratio? Now you can see in adjustment number 1. Now we will start our work from adjustment number first. Now you can see here. Any doubt here? Anyone has doubt? Maybe you have studied well all points because of you have already studied this point in previous chapter. So I am very hopeful that you may not any doubt. But record here sacrifice ratio is given 2 raised 1. Okay. Let's start now from adjustment number first. At first, see here. Now, I will solve all adjustment. Now, first adjustments. Rusil will bring rupees 1 lakh as his capital. And last, at the end of 6 adjustments, here instruction is also given. Read. Pass necessary journal entries and prepare revaluation account. Prepare revaluation account. Here some journal entries are also necessary. Then first journal entry for first adjustment. First adjustment, see here. Journal entries. See here, first one is Rushil brings capital and goodwill. journal entry for this transaction. First, Rusil bring rupees 1 lakh as his capital. What will be the journal entry? First, cash account debit rupees 1 lakh to Rusil capital account rupees 1 lakh. It is the first journal entry for capital. Here transaction adjustment number 1 and transactions are 2. So I will record here A and B. Second one is goodwill. He takes here 24,000 as a goodwill in cash. Now journal entry for goodwill. Here see here cash account debit 24,000 to goodwill account rupees 24,000. It is first entry. But for goodwill, hidden adjustment is also given here. See here. Here I will mark here star only. Because of before time we find out here sacrifice ratio. Why we found sacrifice ratio? Now sacrifice ratio is very essential to distribute this goodwill. Always remember, new partner will bring goodwill in case and it will be given to the only continue partner. Now distribute 24,000 to old partners, but in which ratio? Don't forget, always remember, new goodwill will be distributed between the old partners in old ratio. Old ratio is given 2:1. Then write here, see, here is goodwill is credit. Then I will write first goodwill account debit rupees 24,000. 2. Now 24,000 will distribute between Abha capital account to Bina capital account. 24,000 distribute with Abha and Bina in old ratio 2:1. 16,000. 16,000. Wrong answer. 16, yes, 16 and 8,000. Yes, 16,000 and 8,000. Now you can understand very well that why we found new ratio. Goodwill is given to the old partners or continue partner in 2:1. Now anyone is doubt? Now if anyone doubt, then you can call me also. Just 3 journal entries for adjustment number first. But here are many adjustments given and I will solve it here. Now adjustment number 2, 3 is not now calculated, but adjustment number 4th is very difficult to understand. So study adjustment number 4th. Provision for bad debt is to be kept at 10% on debtors. Now in balance sheet, you can see that total debtors are given 24,000. Total debtors are given total debtors are given 24,000 minus 10% bad debt reserve. Bad debt will be kept 10%, that 2,400. Here, and remaining amount will record in new balance sheet. What is the answer? Okay. Now I will explain. In balance sheet you can see that bad debt reserve is already given 2,000. Old BDR is given 2,000 and new BDR is given 2,400. What is difference between old BDR and new BDR? Difference is rupees 400. It means 400 BDR is increased. Increased means it's our loss. So it will be recorded in revaluation account debit side. But which amount record? Only 400 and debtors minus 2,400. What? 21,600. This amount will record on balance sheet. It is very difficult to understand. Anyone has doubt? Here debtors are given, already BDR is given, and adjustment is given. Now it is the solution of this adjustment. Number 4th. It is 4th one solution. Now maybe all calculation adjustments calculation is done, but in balance sheet there are some entries which are very important to understand, but please try to understand this point very well, otherwise it will be create many problems. You maybe do some mistake here. Try to understand here again, please. Now in balance sheet some points are given. First, on liability sides, first partners capital is given, and next, now mark, please mark those entries which I explained. First one is general reserve. Okay, have you marked? Yes. Next, workmen's compensations reserve of 4,500. Mark it is also. Yes. Next, investment fluctuation reserve. Mark it is also. Here are 3 reserve are given. In theoretical lectures, I have explained any type of reserve are always distributed among the old partners. Have you listened what I explained? Again listen. Any type of reserve, but not that. Here any adjustments related with reserve is not given. So it is easy. Here are 3 type of reserve, and 3 type of reserve are distributed between only continue partner. Continue partner means only old partners. But in which ratio? Only in old sharing ratio. Let me explain these 3 reserve with the help of journal entries. So it is very easy to understand. Okay, now here let's start calculation for three type of reservoir. Okay, here you see first one is general reserve. First one is general reservoir. Journal entry for this general reserve account debit rupees 18,000 and it will distribute between Aba and Bina to Aba's capital to Bina's capital. But don't forget which ratio is taken here. Old sharing ratio. Old sharing ratio is given 2:1. What is the answer? 18,000.
12,000 and 6,000.
12,000 and 6,000. First general reserve. Second is here given workmen's compensation reserve. Workmen compensation reserve. Journal entry for this workmen compensation reserve account debit rupees 4,500 to Aba's capital account to Bina's capital account. In which ratio? Old. Then 3,000 and 1,500. Similar. Now anyone is doubt? Okay. Similar here is investment fluctuation reserve is also given. Now distribute 1,500 investment fluctuations reserve. Okay. Again, anyone has doubt here? Journal of general reserve and workmen compensation reserve. Okay. Doubt anyone? No. Let's calculate for investment fluctuation reserve. Let's again start. Here investment fluctuation reserve of 1,500 is also given, and it is also reserve. Reserve are any type of reserve are always distributed among the partners. Now investment fluctuation reserve. Investment fluctuation reserve. Journal entry for this account debit rupees 1,500 to Abha capital account to Bina's capital account 1,500. Okay. Now on asset sides, two entries are given. goodwill, and in last one advertise campaign expense. And journal entry both is very necessary for goodwill. But remember here goodwill 18,000 given. It is old goodwill. Then I will write here old goodwill. Old goodwill will be distributed among the partners. Among the partners, here are two partners, Abha and Bina. Rupees 18,000. Now distribute this goodwill at first Abha and second one is Bina. Then Abha's capital account, next Bina's capital account to goodwill account. Amount is 12,000. First one 12,000 and 6,000 and total amount is 18,000. Maybe you have questions. Why here Abbas and Bina's capital account debit? See here. Here all goodwill is given on asset side and now all goodwill is written off. If written off, then all partner will get on debit side and written off. In fact, goodwill is asset and is always debit side. But if it is written off, then it will record on credit side. Similar, last transaction is also given. Advertisements campaign expense rupees 6,000 and journal for this last entries. Last one. Advertisements campaign expense amount rupees is given rupees 6,000. Now journal entry similar. At first Abbas capital account, Bina's capital account to advertisements campaign expense. Total amount is given 6,000, distributing all ratio 4,000, 2,000, here total 6,000. Okay, and all difficult adjustments and entries, journal reserve are complete. And now with the help of this, we will solve these questions. How many accounts are prepared? Do you remember? How many? Yes. How many? Okay, 4. Very good. Good boy. 4 accounts. Which account are prepared? First one is revaluation account. Second one is partners capital account. Third one is cash account. And last one is balance sheet. Okay, have you enjoyed? In next lecture we will solve these questions, and during this time try to understand all journal entries and rough calculations. And if any question is arise in your mind, then you can ask me, then I will solve and draw necessary accounts. Up to that time, take care and have a nice day. Okay, thank you very much.